Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your devices. Today, we're tackling a straightforward task: how to sign out of HBO Max on your Roku in 2025. This is perfect if you're sharing your account, switching profiles, or just beefing up your online security. Let's jump right in. First off, make sure your Roku device is powered on and you're staring at the home screen. Grab your Roku remote. It's your key to success here. Start by navigating to the HBO Max app icon. You can find it on your main menu or in the Apps section. Use the arrow keys on your remote to highlight it, then press the OK button to launch the app. Once HBO Max opens, look for the profile icon or settings gear icon, usually tucked away in the top right corner. Highlight it with your remote and hit OK to enter the settings menu. Now, scroll down through the options until you spot Sign Out or Log Out. Select that option by pressing OK. You might get a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to sign out. Just follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. And voila, you're signed out. It only takes a few seconds. If you run into any hiccups, like the app freezing, try restarting your Roku. Head to the settings menu on your home screen, go to System, then Power, and select Restart. This often clears up minor glitches. Signing out regularly is a smart move to protect your account, especially on shared devices. There you have it, quick, easy, and done. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.